If your site's not built on a clear identity, no amount of pretty design is going to save it. The reason some websites just click comes down to a few small choices made right at the start. Welcome to the Wix Portfolio Site Starter Guide. This is the first video and we'll take you step by step in building your website. During this whole guide, we'll build a photography portfolio, but the lessons apply to any type of website. You could just jump in and start dragging things around. But if you want your site to feel professional and connect with people, there are a few things to get right first. This video covers the stuff most people skip and wonder why their site doesn't quite land. Before building anything, there's one key decision that shapes the rest of your site. What kind of brand are you putting out into the world? Is it creative and modern, relaxed and friendly, or more serious and professional? That vibe affects everything. In Wix Studio, start by opening the Theme Manager. This is where you define your site's default colors, typeface, and spacing, ensuring consistency on every page. Just set a clear tone and use the Theme Manager to make it real. It's the difference between a site that feels intentional and one that seems like it's figuring itself out. A good logo doesn't need to be flashy or clever. It just needs to be easy to spot and hard to forget. Make sure it looks good at any size, on both light and dark backgrounds, and matches the overall feel of your site. To add yours in Wix Studio, go to your site header, click the logo placeholder, and choose Replace Image. Upload your logo file. PNGs with a transparent background work best. Adjust sizing and alignment in the inspector panel. Check that it's readable on desktop and mobile and sits nicely across sections. If you don't have a logo yet, create a clean text-based logo directly in the editor using the text tool and a bold font from your theme manager. Color is one of the first things people notice, even before reading a word. It's so important that you might even want to look into this before anything else, especially if you don't have a logo yet. The logo and the site need to work well together. Warm tones feel welcoming, cool tones feel modern, bright colors add energy, while muted shades feel more polished. In Wix Studio, your color palette is in the Theme Manager. Choose 2 or 3 core colors that reflect your brand. One main color, one accent, and a neutral. If you already have brand colors, lock them in. If not, start fresh or use Wix's built-in palettes for inspiration. Be mindful of contrast. Your text should always be readable, especially on mobile or dark mode. Use the accessibility checker to spot issues early on. Once set, your color palette applies site-wide, keeping everything consistent. Fonts are more powerful than they seem. They can make your site feel polished, playful, serious, or somewhere in between. But they only work if they're easy to read and consistent. In Wix Studio, font settings are inside the Theme Manager under Typography. Choose one font for headings and one for body text. Wix makes it easy by showing how the pairs look together before applying them. Ensure font sizes feel balanced. Headings should stand out but not overpower. Body text should be clean and readable across all devices. Test in preview mode on both desktop and mobile. Adjust the line height if the text feels cramped. Your goal is to guide visitors through your site with as little friction as possible. The photos on your site should feel like they belong to your brand, not just random shots to fill space. If you have original photos, use them. They'll always feel more real than stock images. To add images in Wix Studio, open a section, click the plus icon, and upload or choose from the Wix Media Library. Stock images are fine to start, but avoid anything that feels off-brand. Once added, use the inspector to adjust cropping, size, and scroll behavior. Compress large files to keep your site loading fast. Test how each image looks on mobile. If something crops awkwardly or loads slowly, adjust or swap it out. If you're finding these steps helpful, a Wix subscription can give you access to even more features, making it easier to bring your site to life. And that's how you lay the foundation for your Wix Studio portfolio site. You've defined your site's identity, locked in your logo, colors, fonts, and images, and done it all using real tools inside Wix. These decisions shape how your site looks, feels, and connects with visitors. Get them right now, and everything else will be easier. In the next video, we'll move into building the homepage, the part people actually see first. So don't stop here. Keep going, and let's build the whole thing right.